Hello and welcome to this video. In today's video I will show you how to create a pair of dangle earrings using a chandelier, some charms, some beads. I will use coral and turquoise beads, some eye pins, some jump rings and fishhook ear wires, and of course tools that we need in order to connect all these parts together. So let's begin by taking one of those eye pins and insert the beads on the eye pin this way. So I have put the 3 beads on my eye pin, and now I will cut the eye pin. So I'll cut the end of my eye pin like this. And now I'll put the cutting pliers away. I will take the chain nose pliers and bend my wire to 90 degrees. I will start bending at about 1 millimeter above my last bead to prevent breaking this turquoise bead, and I will make sure that the 2 loops are in the same plane. So let's start bending the wire to 90 degrees like this. And now, as you can see, it is bent to 90 degrees. I will take the round nose pliers, the one that is rounded here, and create the loop. So I will grab the end of the pin and I will start rolling the pin this way. And before I close the loop, I will put the ear wire on the loop, and now I can close the loop. This way. And now, once again, I will make sure that the 2 loops are in the same plane. So I will grab the 2 loops and twist them so that they are in the same plane. And we have created the first part of the earring. And now I will connect the chandelier to my beads. For that, I will take a jump ring and open this jump ring by using the chain nose pliers and the jump ring opener this way. And now I have opened the jump ring, and I will take the jump ring, put the jump ring through the loop of the chandelier, and I will also put the loop of the eye pin on my jump ring in order to connect the 2, and I will close the jump ring like this. You can press once again on the ends of the jump ring so that they are aligned. And as you can see, now we have the beads connected to the chandelier. Now let's continue by adding the next beads. So I will take the coral bead, put the coral bead on the eye pin. Again, I will have to cut a little bit of the end of my eye pin like this. And I will do the same, follow the same steps. I will bend to 90 degrees this eye pin, like this, with the chain nose pliers, and then I will take the round nose pliers and create the loop. And before I close the loop, I will put the charm, one of the charms, on this loop, and now I can close the loop like this way. And again, I will make sure that the two loops are aligned in the same plane. So I'll twist them a little bit so that they are aligned in the same plane. So I have created my first dangle element made up of the bead and the charm. Let's do the same thing with the next charm, the next bead, sorry. Again, I will put the bead on the eye pin. I will cut a bit of the eye pin, the end of the eye pin. Now I will grab the eye pin, and with the chain nose pliers I will bend the eye pin to 90 degrees. Like this. And with the round nose pliers I start creating the loop this way, and I add the second charm on the loop, and I can close the loop with the round nose pliers this way. And I align the two loops so that they are both in the same plane and not twisted. And the last bead, I will straighten the eye pin a little bit. So if you see that the eye pin is not straight, you can straighten it with the pliers. Again, I will have to cut a bit of the end. And I will grab the wire and bend it to 90 degrees. This way. And I will take the round nose pliers and start twisting the wire in order to create the loop. And I will put the last charm on the loop here and close the loop. This way. So as you can see here, we have connected all the charms to the beads, and all that we have to do now is attach them to the chandelier. In order to attach them to the chandelier, I will use the jump rings, and I will open my first jump ring with the jump ring opener and the chain nose pliers, like this. And I will put the jump ring through the loop of the chandelier and I will put the first charm on this jump ring, the one with the coral bead, and I close the jump ring, and as you can see, the first charm has been attached to the earring. Now we do the same thing with the second charm. I grab the jump ring and I open the jump ring with the jump ring open like this. I'll put the jump ring through the loop here, and I also put on the jump ring my second charm, and I close the jump ring this way, and we have attached the second charm, and now the last. So I open the jump ring, I'll open it a bit more, like this. I put the jump ring through the earring, through the loop of the chandelier, and I put the charm on the jump ring and close. And now we have finished the first earring. This is what our first dangle earring looks like. And all we have to do is repeat the same steps to create a second earring, and we will have a pair of beautiful dangle earrings. So let's create the second earring using the same steps. So these are our finished chandelier earrings. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.